Welcome back. Today, we're counting down the top 20 most expensive Kawasaki motorcycles. Let's get started. Number 20. Kawasaki KLX300SM. Launch year 2025. Price $6,699. Engine capacity 292 cc. Top speed 85 miles per hour, 137 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 7.2 seconds. Mileage 70 mpg. Available colors 2. Number 19. Kawasaki Eliminator 500 SE. Launch year 2024. Price $7,249. Engine capacity 451 cc. Top speed 105 miles per hour, 169 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 5.1 seconds. Mileage 52 mpg. Available colors 2. Number 18. Kawasaki KLR 650 Adventure. Launch year 2025. Price $8,999. Engine capacity 652 cc. Top speed 98 miles per hour, 158 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 6.4 seconds. Mileage 52 mpg. Available colors 1. Number 17. Kawasaki Ninja ZX10RR. Launch year 2023. Price $10,299. Engine capacity 399 cc. Top speed 130 miles per hour, 209 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 4.2 seconds. Mileage 43 mpg. Available colors 2. Number 16. Kawasaki Z900. Launch year 2025. Price $10,399. Engine capacity 948 cc. Top speed 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 3.4 seconds. Mileage 49 mpg. Available colors 2. Number 15. Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. Launch year 2024. Price $11,399. Engine capacity 636 cc. Top speed 164 miles per hour, 264 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 3.3 seconds. Mileage 42 mpg. Available colors 2. Number 14. Kawasaki Z7 Hybrid. Launch year 2024. Price $11,999. Engine capacity 451 cc. Top speed 118 miles per hour, 190 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 4.0 seconds. Mileage 60 mpg. Available colors 1. Number 13. Kawasaki Ninja 7 Hybrid. Launch year 2024. Price $12,499. Engine capacity 451 cc. Top speed 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 3.9 seconds. Mileage 58 mpg. Available colors 1. Number 12. Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. Launch year 2024. Price $13,699. Engine capacity 1043 cc. Top speed 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 3.2 seconds. Mileage 42 mpg. Available colors 2. Number 11. Kawasaki Versys 1100 SELT. Launch year 2025. Price $18,999. Engine capacity 1099 cc. Top speed 140 miles per hour, 225 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 3.7 seconds. Mileage 44 mpg. Available colors 1. Number 10. Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Vaquero ABS. Launch year 2024. Price $18,999. Engine capacity 1700 cc. Top speed 110 miles per hour, 177 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 5.3 seconds. Mileage, 38 mpg. Available colors, 1. Number 9. Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. Launch year, 2025. Price, $18,999. Engine capacity, 998 cc. Top speed, 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 3.0 seconds. Mileage, 35 mpg. Number 8. Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager ABS. Launch year, 2024. Price, $19,499. Engine capacity, 1,700 cc. Top speed, 110 miles per hour, 177 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 5.4 seconds. Mileage, 37 mpg. Available colors, 1. Number 7. Kawasaki ZH2. Launch year, 2025. Price, $20,600. Engine capacity, 998 cc. Supercharged. Top speed, 174 miles per hour, 280 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 3.0 seconds. Mileage, 36 mpg. Available colors, 1. Number 6. Kawasaki Ninja H2 SX SE. Launch year, 2025. Price, $29,100. Engine capacity, 998 cc. Supercharged. Top speed, 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 3.2 seconds. Mileage, 38 mpg. Available colors, 1. Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja ZX10RR. Launch year, 2025. Price, $30,499. Engine capacity, 998 cc. Top speed, 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.9 seconds. Mileage, 35 mpg. Available colors, 1. Number 4. Kawasaki Ninja H2. Launch year, 2025. Price, $34,000. Engine capacity, 998 cc. Supercharged. Top speed, 209 miles per hour, 336 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.7 seconds. Mileage, 30 mpg. Available colors, 1. Number 3. Kawasaki Ninja H2 Carbon. Launch year, 2025. Price, $35,500. Engine capacity, 998 cc. Supercharged. Top speed, 209 miles per hour, 336 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.7 seconds. Mileage, 30 mpg. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Launch year, 2025. Price, $59,100. Engine capacity, 998 cc. Supercharged. Top speed, 249 miles per hour, 400 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.5 seconds. Mileage, 20 mpg. Available colors, 1. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2R Carbon Limited Edition. Launch year, 2025. Price, approximately $60,000 plus. Engine capacity, 998 cc. Supercharged. Top speed, 249 miles per hour, 400 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.5 seconds. Mileage, 20 mpg. Available colors, 1. And that's our countdown of the top 20 most expensive Kawasaki motorcycles. Which Kawasaki would you love to own? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing motorcycle and automotive countdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.